Cultural capital of Korea, designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, the city of Hanok, Jeonju. We will introduce the top 3 hotels for tourists. If you want to receive hotel informations every evening, please click the subscribe button. Perfect location, right in the heart of Hanok village. Simple house but fully equipped with everything needed. Rooms are very clean and comfortable. Friendly host, warm welcome, simple cake and fruit in the morning. The accommodation is located right in the middle of the Hanok village, so it is very convenient for sightseeing. The accommodation is designed in the style of a traditional Hanok house, and has a large yard in front. There are many trees around the accommodation, so it is very cool and pleasant. The room has a bed on the first floor, and there is a staircase leading to the mezzanine floor. The room is fully equipped, with a kitchenette area with a refrigerator and microwave. The location is good, as both the Hanok village and the Maeul village are just across the street. The bathrooms and rooms are very clean, designed in the style of traditional Korean Hanok house. Therefore, the soundproofing is quite poor. Kind and helpful hosts bring you a wonderful stay. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.